If you're participating on SealSend airdrop, it is no longer news that there is a basic task you need to complete for you to be eligible to receive your airdrop. This task is very simple, but it can be complicated and it can stress you if you don't follow instructions. That is why you have to pay attention to what I'm about to show you in this video. The basic thing is for you to install the wallet extension. After installing, you deposit some amount of ICE, then you make a transaction to activate your wallet. Some of you have been able to install this extension successfully and you've been able to deposit your ICE. But when you try to do a transaction, you get this error message that your password is wrong. Don't panic. I'm going to show you a simple solution to it in this video. Some of you don't even know where to get ICE to deposit. You still don't need to panic. I'm going to be showing you how to get ICE in this video. Before we proceed, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button. Just like this video to support the channel. And you can even drop a comment if you have any issue. Just drop them in the comment section. I'll be there to respond to you. And you can also subscribe if you want to stay in touch to keep getting updates from us. It is very important you know that ICE was listed on BNB blockchain. The ICE that you are depositing into this your SealSend wallet is ICE on ION blockchain, not BNB. So exchanges like BitGet, KuCoin, and OKX, the ICE network that they have is ICE on BNB. If you have to take ICE from your exchange and deposit into the SealSend wallet, it will not work. And the reason is because the ICE on these exchanges is on BNB blockchain. They currently do not have ICE on ION blockchain. So what you need to do is to send out your ICE from any of these exchange or from any vendor that you purchase from, and then you send it to the centralized exchange like your MetaMask or your Trust Wallet. Then you bridge it to ION. After bridging, you can now send it into this your SealSend wallet to now activate your wallet. Now, if you don't want to go through all of this stress of purchasing ICE network on these exchanges, sending it to the centralized exchange to bridge and the likes, you can still DM me on WhatsApp to purchase your coins. All you basically have to do is to check the link in the description box of this video if you're watching from YouTube, or you check my profile, check the link tree there if you're watching from TikTok. Then you're going to see a link to my Telegram channel. Once you enter my Telegram channel, the first pin post there, you're going to see my WhatsApp contact where you can now message me if you want to purchase. And note, you have an option of purchasing from an exchange. You don't have to DM me to get your ICE. For those of you that have already deposited your ICE, but you try to do the transaction and they are telling you that your password is wrong, I was also a victim. The mistake you made is that you used a complicated password. When they ask for a PIN or password, what they are requesting for is just numbers. So I used a very secure password with combination of numbers, letters, blah, blah, blah. And this password, I did not forget it. It's in my head. I was able to use this password to log in anytime I want to log in. But whenever I want to do a transaction, it is not going. So I had to reset my wallet and reset the password again. And this time around, I used only numbers, just like 1, 2, 3. But I used 6 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just that. After this, I was able to run a transaction. So if you're facing this issue, it simply means you have to reset your password. Reset it and make sure that this password is only in numbers, and preferably make sure that the numbers are just 6 characters, like 1, 2, 3 to 6. I'm not telling you to go and use 1, 2, 3 to 6 as your password, but you get the gist. Now, for those of you that have scaled through these steps, but you don't know where to send your ICE to complete the transaction, it's still a simple thing. You don't even need to look for who to send this ICE to. All you basically have to do is to click on the send button. On this page, you fill in the details, but this wallet section, you are going to be putting in your own wallet address. Yes, that is the wallet address that you got from this your SealSend wallet. Put it there. Then at the bottom of your screen, you get this button where they say bounceable recommended. Check it. After checking it, send any amount of ICE that you want to send that is on your wallet into this your wallet. It is going to rebounce back, and automatically you are going to get that your wallet has been activated. That is the simple thing. You don't have to be looking for an external wallet or an external somebody to send your ICE to. For those of you that have not even been able to install this extension at all, there is still a solution for you. You need to get a laptop to do it. But if you don't have a laptop, you can use your phone. And that is where your Mrs. browser or your Kiwi browser comes in, because it allows you to access these extensions seamlessly. And you basically have to just open up your Mrs. browser, go to the Chrome web store, install the extension, and blah, blah, blah. I have already made a full tutorial video on how to go about this. If you are watching from TikTok, check the pinned video on my page. Just check my page. The first pinned video there is a full step on how to do it. If you are watching from YouTube, check the top of your screen. You are going to get a video that is pinned there already, so you can basically click on it and then you get the full details on how to go about this. And that is basically it. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video like this. And using the link in the description box of this video, join my Telegram channel to stay in touch.